my channel. Now for today, I'm going to be showing you how to make these little beef wontons, and they fry up super quickly once they're filled with their delectable and incredibly easy mixture. Now if you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe down below so you won't miss out on my quick and easy recipes, which always have a unique twist to them, like this one right here. Now let's get started. I'm starting off with the filling. This is 1/2 pound of ground beef frying up in the saucepan. I'm gonna season it well with some salt and pepper as well as a small chopped onion. Once this is nicely golden brown, I'm gonna add 1 chopped tomato and a 1/2 bunch of chopped up cilantro. Continue to saute this until the tomatoes release some of their juices and create a bit of a sauce. Then remove this from the heat and we'll assemble these wontons. These are the wonton wraps. These are located in the refrigerator section of your grocery store, and I'm gonna line the edges with some water to act like a glue to shut these wontons once we put that teaspoon of filling inside. Press all of the edges together to seal them closed, and once you have all of your wontons made, preheat the oil in a small saucepan and fry these up until they're golden brown. These do fry up fairly quickly, so you'll need to make small batches at a time. And that is pretty much it. These crispy little appetizers are such a delightful treat. Serve them with a tomato sauce and they're sure to be a crowd pleaser. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes. Thanks for watching.